Caesar was developed in the 1990s as a technology demonstrator by the French state-owned company GIAT Industries, in cooperation with Lohr Industry. It was first shown in public in 1994. The Caesar is a wheeled, 155mm 52 caliber self-propelled howitzer. It holds 18 rounds and is typically operated by a crew of 5, though if necessary, the Caesar can be operated by as few as 3 persons. It can be transported by C-130 or A-400M, and has a firing range of approximately 42 km using an extended range, full-bore ERFB shell, and more than 50 km using rocket-assisted shells. The system is integrated with a fully computerized system, providing automatic control. During Eurosatory 2006, Caesar was exhibited with an automated laying system based on the Sigma 30 inertial navigation system. Nexter is developing an armored cab for the Caesar in response to demand for more protection for the crew. The additional armor will protect against IEDs and roadside bombs, anti-vehicle mines, and 155mm shells landing as close as 5 meters or 16 feet away from the vehicle. It can be added to the cabs of existing Caesars. Heavier armor will increase its weight by 400 kilograms and raise the price by 4 to 5%. In February 2022, Nexter was awarded a contract by the French Direction Générale de l'Armement (DGA) for the development of the Caesar 6x6 Mark II New Generation (NG) artillery system. The Mark II features a new chassis with a more powerful 460 horsepower engine and new automatic gearbox, new fire control software, and a Level 2 mine and ballistic armored cabin. After which the Mark II will enter production. In 2024, the DGA will choose whether to launch production of 109 new-built Mark IIs or to procure 33 new vehicles while retrofitting the 76 Caesars already in service. On September 16, 2015 at DSA 2015, Nexter unveiled the Caesar 8x8, which features a high level of mobility ensured by a modified Tatra T815 8x8 chassis.